students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. Our next question is solve the equation 2x plus 3y is equals to 14 and 2x plus y is equals to 10 by elimination method. So we have two equations. This is our first equation and this is our second equation. So what we will do, we will do 1 minus 2. We will subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So minus sign, minus sign, minus sign. 2x minus 2x will be 0. 3y minus y will be equals to plus 2y is equals to 14 minus 10 will be 4. So y is equals to 2. So let's put y in any of this equation. So let's put y in equation 2. So we will get 2x plus, instead of y we will write 2. So plus 2 is equals to 10. So 2x is equals to 8. X is equals to 4. So a value of x and y are 4 and 2 respectively. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.